So what's up, everybody? It's just the beginning of September. The weather has changed quite a bit. The rainy season is just about on us. And I think for the next 2 or 3 months, we're expecting at least some rain. It hasn't rained too much in the few months that I've been here, but if you guys will look up and notice the skies, they're a little bit more gray today. I've been seeing lightning storms the past couple of nights. No rain though, but as all the locals have advised me, this is the rainy season upcoming for the next 2 or 3 months. It's cooling down a bit, which is definitely helpful because this humidity can really eat you alive here. Let's try to cross this street without getting hit. But as I was saying, what's good is that the weather is cooling down a little bit. What also is cooling down, at least the rumor is that during rainy season, and I guess what they would call it bad weather season, is a lot of tourists leave, which causes prices to go down. So during this rainy season, in theory, rent prices should go down. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go take a look at this place that I must have walked by a million times so far, called Cantona. So this is actually a hotel and not an apartment. It's called Cantona, and it's located in the heart of the An Thuong neighborhood, just a few blocks away from me. And it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but it does have a little funky setup where there is no living room and a smaller kitchen. Okay, so here's the kitchen.
Here's the kitchen, and yes.
So do they have stove when you move in?
Stove?
Yeah, like to cook?
Let me ask my manager.
Okay, and here's the bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom here.
Shower, bathroom, toilet. You got a little bit of a window here. Ah, nice view. You get a nice little view to the beach. And if you guys can see, I'm staying right here. My girlfriend went back to Philippines, so now I can get smaller place. First bedroom, okay.
And the second bedroom is larger.
So it's a little bit smaller bedroom, but you got your AC right there. You got your TV there.
Okay, so the kitchen is the stuff we will set up for you.
Okay, okay. They'll set it up, okay. And then this is the second bedroom. So, oh, 2 bathrooms. So 2 bathrooms. So you got a second bathroom. And then you have the second TV.
And outside is balcony.
And outside is a balcony. Okay, nice. And then you have your balcony right here. And this is in the right neighborhood. This is 8 million. Oh, it's a window.
Yeah, a small window.
A window, so you get another window in here. So let me give you guys my breakdown on the pros and the cons of this place. The first thing that I'm gonna say is it's probably about 45 or 50 square meters, which is a decent size. It has the 2 bedrooms, it has the 2 bathrooms. It's in the perfect heart of the An Thuong neighborhood, maybe a 5 to 7 minute walk from the beach, which is great. The downsides are the missing full-size stove and the missing full-size refrigerator. But if you do go out to cook, I wouldn't really sweat that if cooking is not a big deal to you guys. So this is Cantona, guys. I actually kind of like this place. It's a weird setup, as you guys seen. It's a 2-bedroom, but it's really like a 1-bedroom with a living room, but the living room has a bed in it. So it's a little bit weird. No washing machine, no pool, but they do have maid service every day is what they told me. They said that the maid will come in, clean your stuff, take your garbage out, make your bed, everything like that. And they will put in a little plug-in kitchen burner. So not really 100% full kitchen, but you can cook in there. So this is an option. And it's 8 million, which is about 320 bucks, which if you could get this for maybe 6.5 or 7 million, I would think it's a decent deal. I'm back out on the prowl today. This neighborhood might look a little familiar to some of the people that have watched my previous apartment videos. I am actually going to look at a place that I looked at previously last month that I really liked. And basically the place got rented out right before I could go down and put a deposit on it. It's almost a month later, and I'm gonna go check it out one more time. So basically the other place that I looked at was on the 3rd floor. This is 4th. Okay. So you got your washer, the sink. Can I ask how much you guys normally pay for electricity?
It depends. If you run AC like 24/7, it's around $100.
$100. Is that in both rooms or just in one room?
Both rooms.
Both rooms. Okay. And one other cool thing about Dominika is that they do have a nice swimming pool upstairs. Okay, guys, let's get straight down to the breakdown of Dominika. As I mentioned earlier, this is the place that I checked out last month. This was my top choice back then. Last month, for some reason, they only wanted $320. This month, the landlord told me that the rental price was $350. On top of the fact that he was requiring a 3-month contract now, which was not required last month. I'm assuming that the increase in rent was due to the fact that this was on a higher floor than the room I seen last month. The size of the apartment definitely meets my requirements. I would guess this place was about a good 50 square meters. It has a separate bedroom, a separate living room. Electricity is not included. And this is also in the heart of the An Thuong neighborhood, maybe a 5-minute walk or so from the beach. So you guys just seen that apartment. I like that place. I do like that place for sure. The issue is last month it was 8 million. Now they want 8.5 million. Also, last month they offered me a 1-month deal. That deal, obviously, the guy said is not available anymore. Please leave a comment below which was your favorite apartment that you've seen in this video. I love your guys' input. It really opens up my eyes to certain things that I don't see while I'm recording and checking out these apartments. And I love engaging and interacting with you guys on the comment section. The third apartment that we're going to check out today is actually in the same building that I'm at, and it's actually about 15 floors or so below me, but I was told that it does have a view of the Dragon Bridge and it meets all my other requirements. So I figured why not go take a look at it since I'm here in the building and it couldn't hurt. So let's check this one out real quick. So this one was on the 18th floor, and when I first walked in, I really enjoyed the layout. I like how it has that living room there. It has plenty of space. It has the dining room table there. I wanted to make sure it had a view of the Dragon Bridge. So if you check out this patio right here, you do see the first bridge straight ahead, and the Dragon Bridge is a little tucked away behind that building, but I believe the agent told me at nighttime you can see the Dragon Bridge. It does have the bathroom right here. It's a smaller Asian style bathroom, which I do not mind at all. The living room, as I mentioned, was a decent size. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Mine is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom that I currently stay in. But the bedroom is perfectly adequate for me. It has great lights, great window, a great view. It does look down on the street. This is the main neighborhood of An Thuong that I'm always in and that I mentioned in my videos. The bed looks nice. It was soft. It was comfortable. It does have a TV in this room as well. So there's a TV in the living room and a TV in the bedroom, which is always nice. Now the hard part, trying to negotiate this deal. So basically, to summarize it, I threw an offer out to the landlord for about $330 a month for rent, a little over $200 security deposit, and I was willing to sign a 3-month contract. I just didn't want to pay for the separate charge of internet, and it looked like the landlord counter offered and wanted to add a couple of extra charges at the end. I told the landlord that if they couldn't meet my requirements of what I wanted, I was prepared to walk away. You always have to be prepared to walk away if you don't get the perfect deal that you're looking for. That would be my biggest advice. And after a few minutes, the landlord told the agent that they weren't going to budge. So at that point, I kind of gave up. Whether I'm being stubborn or not, who knows? But I wanted to stick to my guns. I have plenty of other options elsewhere. And what I'm probably going to do is stay at the current apartment that I'm renting now. So in the end, I did walk away from this apartment and all the other apartments. But we will go apartment hunting once again next month. I know it's kind of exhausting and tiring, but you have to hold out until you get the right place that you want. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the comment section and I will respond. So once again, thank you guys and happy travels.